Hi everyone, welcome. Today, war day number 385 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, March the 15th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the medium, and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are, let me show you, 7 extra puzzles, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last one is the binary. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve in the evening. But first, these regular puzzles, the 3 regular puzzles of Wednesday. The binary, the medium, and the killer Sudoku. The first one will be number 6117. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 22 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Alright. That means 10 by 10 in a row or in a column, there are always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Then I need to think, I believe. Yeah. Need to think. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first 1, second 1, third 1, fourth 1, and the fifth 1. So those 2 boxes should be no. Between the O's comes an 1. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay. Between the O's comes an 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the third row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Number O. Here 1, there 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. Okay. Alright. So this can be on 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in this column. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. It should be no. Right. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. There should be a 1. Number 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. Double O, here 1, there 1. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Oh, okay. Need to think. Come on. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. In this row. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules of this can be no. There should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3. Well. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 O's in this column, the second column. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a column in this second column. 4 ones in a row in this column, second column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5, the 5th one O here, then we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column, in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this second column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Number 1, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so there's no 1s. All right. Number 1, there no. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in this column. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Number 1, here no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Oh, Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are. Between 2 O's. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Well, number 1. Here no. There no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Yes. Between the ones comes an O, of course. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in the first column. If I place number 4, then the fifth one here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in a row in this first column. Not allow one of the rules of this category 1. They should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I need to compare, I believe. Need to compare. Yeah, let me think. Almost the same, this one. Yeah, how about... almost the same. Almost the same. Do we have a double one? No. Cannot compare this one. Cannot compare this one. This column and third column. Yeah. O, O, 1, 1. O, O, 1, 1. Empty box. O, O, 1, 1. O, O. Empty box. 1, 1. We need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Finished in 30 minutes. Well. Not quite easy, but we solved it again, and I love it. This one, yes, I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles, regular puzzles. In the evening, I will do the the additional with the 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.